With automatic detection, you've got some options. You've got some options of devices, but also coverages. Let's take 2 minutes to talk about these different detector coverages and which one is going to be the one we see most. So, detector coverage, you got three options. There's total or complete coverage, and there's also partial slash selective coverage. But we also have something that's non-required coverage. So let's go into it. What total coverage means is that everywhere you're going to need automatic detection. This isn't something that we typically see being done or a necessity. Some other codes might require total coverage. So, with that in mind, total coverage, you'll have detection in every single room, all the halls, storage areas, basements, attics, lofts, spaces above suspended ceilings, everywhere. Any accessible space is going to have detection. Detection is required in concealed spaces when the space contains any combustible materials, space is accessible to the general population, general public in the building, or if the space is used for an air return or plenum airspace. Gonna need total coverage for that. Partial or selective coverage is usually how most automatic detection is done. Detection is in selected areas only. We see this being used where required by code being enforced. Most of the time, this is how we do our coverages. Smoke required in corridors, but not individual rooms because the rooms are already protected through the corridor above with the smokes in it. Now, again, this is the most common type of coverage that we have out in the field. Which brings us to non-required coverage. Detection is not required. However, we're installing detection in selected areas to achieve a specific protection goal. Additional detectors are not required, just what's needed to get that goal completed. So here's an example. Code does not require a fire alarm in the building. The building owner, though, wants to install smoke detectors in the office area only, nowhere else, just the office. Detectors and fire alarm are not required, but we are permitted by NFPA 72 to install these detectors and a panel to monitor them. The requirements with non-required coverage detectors located and spaced per listing requirements. What that means is that a single smoke detector cannot cover everywhere. It can only cover its actual spacing, which would be 900 square feet. So you can't have it cover an entire 100,000 square foot area. Its protection goal is only what it's there to do, is not able to cover everything. Equipment must be listed for purpose. No household fire alarm panel or burglar alarm panel. It has to be an actual listed fire alarm panel. Non-required systems do not have to be complete. You don't require to have anything else. What was needed for that building was not a full fire alarm, but we're installing because of specific protection goals. So no notification appliances are needed or pull stations are not required. Whatever the building owner was wanting, that's what we have to put in.